Good morning mga washmates, classmates. It's May 3. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. May 3, 2026. And we are here at Ace Water Spa. Magdi-deliver tayo. This is what I do every morning. I-deliver ko sa Ace Water Spa 166 towel white, dami. 25 towel green, trunks and caps. Ace Water Spa is at United Street, corner Brixton. Just across Pioneer Center. It's summer and mainit ang panahon, kaya masarap mag-swimming. Pag nag-swimming, kailangan ng tuwalya. Yan ang aming nilalabahan everyday. Good morning. Mabuhay po. Hi, good morning. Mabuhay. Pasok na tayo. Ace Plaza. It's a very nice lobby dito sa Ace Plaza. Ayun ang Ace Hotel. Ace Hotel. Ito yung lobby entrance nila. And this is the reception area of the hotel. Pwede ring mag-aral ng swimming dito. Mag-e-enroll ka sa Bert Losada swimming clinic. Ito ang buffet area. Ace Coffee Lounge. Ito ang lap pool. Yan, malinis. Yun ang Ace Water Spa. You don't have to worry kung araw-araw marami nagsiswimming dito because this establishment is regularly being tested, continuously monitored. So, every day nalilinis siya. And this area is the a la carte area. So, doon sa kanina, buffet area, ito naman a la carte. Pwede ka umorder. Now, we're here at the reception area of Ace Water Spa. Yan. So, it's already 6:27 a.m. Yan. Gusto mag-swimming, be refreshed here at Ace Water Spa. That's all for now, mga washmates, and classmates. Dito lang ako nagpapapansin sa inyo. Please subscribe and like, share my videos. The Best Life TV. Till the next video. Thank you for watching.